Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's meditation, you are guided to connect so deeply with your physical body. We invite healing in. We use our breath to release, create space within ourselves, and bring healing energy in so that we feel good in our physical bodies, so that we appreciate our physical bodies, so that we are full of health and wellness and goodness and movement and ease and flexibility. I hope you enjoy today's meditation. Light a candle, play your favorite relaxing music. Let's drop into our self-love meditation. Turn your outer gaze inward. Become aware of your breath moving through your body. We set the intention of deep inner connection. We set the intention of filling with love, energy. We set the intention of connecting to our wisdom. We set the intention of healing our bodies, our minds, our souls. We take time with ourselves as an act of self-love. Begin by grounding with the earth, feeling your feet firmly planted on the earth beneath you, feeling your roots growing down through the layers of this beautiful earth. Breathing with the earth. We breathe up from the center of the earth through our roots, into our feet, through our legs, into our heart. And we exhale back to the earth. Take a few breaths at your own pace, connecting with the earth. Bring your awareness to your crown, the top of your head. Visualizing the sun energy flowing down golden rays through your crown, surrounding you, seeping into your skin, as if you were to turn the dial up on the furnace. You are breathing so deeply with the sun that each click of the dial turns you brighter and brighter and brighter. Each deep breath is like turning the dial up a notch. We fill with the energy of the sun and the earth in our hearts until we become the sun. We become the earth. We are spirit and matter. Feel the flow of your breath as it moves through you. Feel the pulse of your heart as you breathe deeply. Each time you breathe, this heart grows and expands. This is like a muscle we are developing with our awareness, this connection with breath, this filling with earth and sky. We're building this muscle and growing stronger in ourselves. Each time we pause to turn inward, each time we pause to breathe deeply, we're strengthening our spirit, we're strengthening our body. Bring your attention to an area of your body that needs support today. Is it your feet, your back, your belly, your head, your neck? Identify an area of your body that needs support today. Bring your breath, your awareness to this area of your body. Take a deep breath into this area, pausing at the top of your inhale. Holding and slowly releasing. Pushing out this air, pulling in your belly until all the air is pushed out and you take a breath. And we'll do that again. Bring your awareness back to this area of your body. And when you feel ready, take a deep breath and hold at the top. Slowly exhale and push all the air out, really using the muscles of your belly to push your air out. A little more, and breathe. We ask that any tension or pain or tenderness held in our body is released with our awareness and with our connection to earth and sky. We ask our guides, our angels, to surround us, offering their love and healing. We wish to be whole, complete. We wish to be open, supple, flexible. We wish to be at ease in our bodies. We ask for direction, signs of direction, which direction to take, where to go, what to do to support our physical bodies. We trust that we are guided to make the decisions we need to make that are for our highest good. And when you feel ready, we'll take one more deep breath, this time with the support of all of our healing forces. We take a deep breath into this area of our body and hold. And when you feel ready, slowly release, pushing the air out a little more and a little more, and breathe. And we can see this golden light filling in this empty space within us that has been released. We invite in healing. We invite in feeling good. We invite in knowing which direction to move. We invite in health and wellness. We trust that all is in divine order. In your mind's eye, see yourself standing there, radiant and beautiful. And offer yourself a token of your own love. What does it look like to love yourself? What token or gesture can you make toward yourself? What gift do you give yourself? What words do you speak to yourself that allows you to feel so much love from you? Maybe you cover yourself in heart stickers. Maybe you repeat an affirmation or give yourself a pep talk. Maybe you blow yourself kisses. Say goodbye to yourself for now in your mind's eye and just come back. Come back to this moment. Come back to your heart, your feet, your crown. Begin to move your shoulders, your fingers. And when you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move your way toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes or so to free write, to allow any words to move through you that need to be expressed, that need to be heard, that need to be solidified. There's no right or wrong way, there's only your way. Trust the beautiful unfolding of your words of wisdom. Trust this beautiful unfolding of your self-expression and enjoy this time nurturing the relationship with you. Much love.